we love to see founders have some real skin in the game. Like they've proven they can be resourceful and they can make progress with little resources to, little capital or little resources, and they can do it fairly quickly. Number one. Number two, again, like I said, not all businesses are meant to be venture scale businesses. I think the thing that you really have to appreciate, that I don't think I appreciated until I've been doing this the last 5 years, is the math only works as a venture firm if you can get these large outcomes, right? Like it just doesn't work with small outcomes. That said, founders have to really think about, you can own a lot of your company and sell the business for a much smaller amount and make, wind up with the same amount of personal wealth as the other side, where you get venture capital, you wind up diluting yourself down to, small single digit to teens ownership, but you're playing that game. So again, I say this because like not every business, most businesses are not meant to raise venture capital. And so if you're raising venture capital, you got to show why the thing you're building needs money now to accelerate, and that why, if you play this out 5 to 10 years, that you're going to be that there's something that can be much bigger here that can, that will be in the hundreds of millions to billions in revenue one day. Right. And so, and you better know, I think the important thing is you need to know every aspect of why you're building, what you're building. And you better know if there's competitors or things out there that exist, you better know every detail about them. Because I think what we try and if you don't, it's pretty clear, you don't really have that deep innate appreciation for what you're trying to go after. And so, yeah, I mean, I think that's it. And I get so many emails are like, I read it, Oceans, da 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 da. And I don't know, maybe they're in London. And we're very clear on our website, very clear, we only invest in US companies, right? And so we're not a fit. Don't waste your time either, because your time is just as more valuable. So, again, understand who you're going after, why you're going after them, why you think they're a great fit for you. But more importantly, you need to be able to tell a story, and you need to be able to show that you can also attract and build an amazing team, right? And so there's a lot of dimensions to this, which is why we are very, very particular about ultimately who and what we invest in.